Good morning. First of all, get over here. Give me a hug. It's been a while. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm terrible. No, what actually happened is I had a terrible week last week. And I actually filmed a self-care video for you. Life took a turn for me that day, and yeah, no, didn't like the video, didn't finish filming the video, and did a lot of crying. But just as the Bible says, this too shall pass. And I actually have family in town right now. Yes, my favorite aunt in the entire world is in town right now as we speak. She got into town early Sunday. And so we are going to spend the day together. We're gonna go have breakfast at one of my favorite spots. We're gonna go to the beach. And then yeah, wherever life takes us, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna see you very soon. I am gonna show you a picture of the flowers that Big Papa got me. So Friday was like the peak, you know, and I was having one of those days where I literally thought I was going to cry. And I literally had a thought. I was like, how am I gonna do this day? God, how am I gonna do this day? I'm not kidding you, less than 5 minutes later, Matt walked through the door with those gorgeous flowers. With these gorgeous, beautiful, perfect flowers. For me.
Look at her. Are they not crazy?
Good morning! Do. This is the very end of the north end of the beach. Doreen's not buckled. Biscuits! Why don't you go sit down and they bring you your food?
Like we did yesterday, Kat. Oh, that's okay with me. Okay.
That is so pretty. They have a big thing of sea glass. Those are really beautiful. Hopefully she comes out soon and she can see it for herself. This thing is so neat.
There's always so much to see, but people can go 2 or 3 times around. So for even gifts or different things, there's about 200 places. So we had a voyage and we brought the ship up here, and it seems to be a lot more people that have been here a lot of times. And I'm now saying, oh my gosh, like I see the ship.
This is so cool. Hand blown glass. If I had $6,000, I would totally buy this.
Ready for the sun.
All right, so we finished breakfast. We went and got souvenirs. So now we're back at the hotel. We're gonna do a little bit of beaching. And yeah, so far, a lot of fun. And it's a perfect beach day. The water is fantastic.
This is how I popped out of my mama. Yeah. Man, it's hot already. So yesterday when we came out here, it was.
All right, we have officially
myself under the. Remember, I want to send it to my.
made it. Oh my gosh. I am so happy right now. I love bringing people to the beach. That's why I told Dorian, I said, wait. I don't remember this many shows. No, we went to Virginia Beach. No, it just happens. Yeah, sometimes they're buried and then you pick them up and they're like twice the size that you thought it was.
Yeah, I got probably.
You'll need a lot for your, are you picking up some sand too while you're at it? Here's a good one. All right, we have us a cannonball jelly, cuties. All right, so beach day is over with. I'm gonna go home and freshen up, and they're actually gonna come over and we're gonna order some DoorDash and hang out. Look at this view. It is so pretty up here. I never get to come up here. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous.
I know at first glance, white spruce.
Food is here. I look awful, but I'm really excited because I'm starving. Okay, so I do apologize for not filming very much this evening. But honestly, I just really wanted to spend some time with my aunt and her wife. And I didn't want to put my camera in their face and make it weird and everything. But I did get a little clip of them, as you've seen. And I love spending time with them. They are so fun and chill. And we just have a blast. So we ordered some Mexican food and just chatted and joked and just enjoyed each other's company, really. And I had to take a shower because I was literally covered in the beach still. I ran home and like freshened up my house really quick, and I had no time to shower. So yeah, I am feeling much better, and it was a beautiful day. It went super fast, but anybody who has spent time at the beach knows that beach time goes so fast. So with that being said, I have got to get to sleep. I have a big day tomorrow, you guys, a big day. And a long day. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending this time. And please consider liking and subscribing. Bye, guys.